Chicken Seekh white korma. 1/2 kilograms boneless chicken, garlic, ginger, green chilies. 1 tsp cumin powder. 1 tsp coriander powder. 1 tsp fennel powder, salt to taste. Grind it. With the help of toothpick, make chicken seekh. Remove it slowly. Heat oil. Deep fry on low flame until light golden. Cut into half. Soft and juicy chicken seekh is ready. Cut all seekh into half. Soak 25 to 30 cashew in hot water for half an hour. 4 medium-sized roughly chopped onions. Make fine paste. 2 tablespoons ginger, garlic cloves, green chilies. Grind it. 4 spoon oil. Pinch of asafoetida, handful of curry leaves. Add onion paste. Salt to taste. Cover and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Cook until turns golden. Add ginger, garlic, green chili paste. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. 1 tsp cumin powder. 1 tsp black pepper powder. Make soaked cashew smooth paste. Add cashew paste. .300-gram yogurt. Grind it for lump-free texture. Add yogurt on low flame. Mix it very well. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Add some water for gravy. Cover and make it boil. Low the flame. Add chicken seekh in it. .50-gram salted butter. Cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Garnish with coriander leaves. Allhumdulillah, ready to eat. Serve hot with roti, tandoori rice. Thanks for watching. Like, share, follow for more videos.